Hello, welcome to day 9 of our poetry unit for creative writing. So today's objective, we will be exploring the key ideas of memories in writing by using imagery and descriptive language. And we're going to do that today because we're going to be writing a tribute poem. And that's standard writing 910.4. So before we get to our tribute poem project, we're going to practice participles again. Just to let you know, participles are going to be on the unit exam, which is why we're taking the time to practice them. This is the same slide from yesterday. I just want to point out something new about participles that might help you. If you take out the participle, you should still see a sentence that makes sense. So, for example, the first one we have is the man is sleeping on the couch. In this sentence, sleeping is the verb. But if we move it to the sleeping man was on the couch, you should be able to take this word out, the participle, and the sentence should still make sense. So if I just say the man was on the couch, it makes sense. So the sleeping is just adding descriptive language to describe the man. And here the verb is now was on. So you should be able to take a participle out of a sentence and it should still make sense. If you think about that as you do the practice questions for the do now, it should help you. And then here's another example. We have the puppy was howling at the moon. And if we take howling and change it from a verb to a participle and change it to the howling puppy looked at the moon, we should be able to get rid of this altogether and it should still make sense. For example, the puppy looked at the moon. So think about that as you're practicing participles, and then when you're done, I'll give you the instructions for your tribute poem project.